Scotty's got his drink. He's loving it. Anyway, bumper things are in. Yada, 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 yada. Cool. Great. Awesome.
So we got this taken care of.
Yep. He's done.
Cool. The owner of the car has been super busy. He's got meetings. He's in all week, so I can't get a hold of him.
Well, I'm sending him videos, so.
Yeah, no. He sees them, yeah. You know, he was trying to get a hold of me yesterday, and I just had too much going on. You know, it is what it is. You know,
well, we don't have time
two businesses to...
We don't have time to be on the phone every day for an hour talking about the same thing, so it's fine. But this looks good.
But yeah, we're just getting a quick update video so everybody knows what's going on. We've already got both doors done and taken care of.
Those turned out bitchin', by the way.
They did.
Those are bitchin', so I guess we're just waiting on his next order from Concourse to show up.
Yep. And then that'll help direct me in the next direction as to what I'm going to be doing. We haven't tackled the roof yet. We haven't even started with it yet. Because I want to try and do it pretty much when it's inside.
Yeah.
So I'm not becoming, you know, third-degree red shirt.
Like this?
Mm-hmm. Pretty much.
Like that? What? Ew. Oh, Scotty. That's why Scotty's funny. Anyway, so yeah, hood bumpers in, rubber snubbers in, the front door weather strip in, and like we said, Ken, definitely order the rear.
Oh yeah, without a doubt.
Yeah, those went nice. It didn't take Scotty that long, and it's amazing results. Yeah. Look at that. The results are just incredible. I know we've already showed it once before, but I just want to keep looking at nice shit. I said nice shit, not questionably appearing shit that we love. He's going to punch me in the ding-ding.
Yes. But on that note.
Oh, God, that close is so nice.
Thank you, guys, and we'll catch you on the flip side.
I can't wait to do the rear. Weather strip. I had thought I clarified.